Have some more sloppy juice. I made them extra sloppy for you. I know how you kids like them sloppy.
Lady, you're scaring us.
Start browning 2 pounds of ground beef in your Instant Pot and drain the grease. Add 1 medium onion, 1 red pepper, and 1 yellow bell pepper. Add about 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder. Add in salt and pepper, and a good shake of Worcestershire sauce. Add in about a tablespoon of this beef base. Add in a squeeze of squeeze tube garlic. Then I added in about 3/4 of this jar of tomato sauce. Add in a little bit of yellow mustard. Also add in about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar swerve. Set on the bean and chili setting for 3 minutes. And then you're gonna add in a pinch of this xanthan gum. This is the best part. Hollow out your bell peppers and add in this jalapeno cream cheese in the inside. Then fill in your bell peppers. Then don't hate me, I love American cheese, so I topped mine with American cheese and melted that right on top. These were so good, let me know if you try them.